Welcome to LINX PTT Dispatcher training. To start, go to links.safemobile.com/dispatcher and log in with your username and password as provided. The dispatcher view is shown in front of you. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Live tab showing the unit status with positions displayed on the map and the ability to select any of your users to view more information, like time last reported, GPS position, address, and more. To perform basic PTT functions, simply click the PTT button. To change groups, click on the Group Change button and select the desired group. You can also create ad hoc groups and either select from the map or select a device from the list of mobile users. The mobile user will automatically be pulled into the newly created ad hoc group and receive a notification. By clicking the Listening To button, you'll be able to see which groups you are currently listening to and adjust the volume that each of those groups plays when you receive audio calls. Click the Settings icon to adjust your speaker and microphone device. This button on the left will show you your various channel assets and their current online status. It's currently displaying our new ad hoc group as well. You can mute your microphone here and turn your speaker off as well as needed. If you need help at any point, simply click the question mark icon and the LINX Brief Help will open up, giving you quick help notes on the specific area of the application that you're viewing. If you need more detailed help, simply click More and the LINX Help menu will open up into the full manual. This will bring you to the specific part of the LINX Help manual that is related to where you were viewing the dispatcher. In the LINX Help manual, we have information about all aspects of the application to ensure that you know exactly how to use your new LINX system. To change other settings, click the 3 gears icon at the bottom. This allows you to change your password and adjust other settings such as measuring system, time format, unit labels, clustering, continuous emergency sound, map limits, map timeout, and notifications, or to log out. You can adjust the zoom of the map on the right-hand side, and you also have the ability to go to Street View or toggle between satellite and standard map views. The History tab allows you to view history for specific units. Let's look at the history for iPhone OSM and go back a couple of months to get a historical perspective. You can select from GPS alerts, Rs, which is an on-off report, beacons if using indoor positioning, and a full history of your PTT calls as well as recordings. For now, let's just do a history of GPS. Let's adjust the number of records so that we see 3,000 records at once. Now we have a complete historical view of this unit's GPS trail, with the ability to zoom in and get specific date timestamp details as well as GPS position. All this information is also captured in our LINX History report in the Reports tab, covered later. The Zones tab allows you to view and create geofences and landmarks. To create a new landmark, click New Landmark, then type the name. You can search the address or click on the screen to easily drop a pin for your new landmark. Now click Save and you're all set. To create a new geofence, follow the same steps and select the color for your geofence. Then click anywhere on the map to set the points for your geofence. You can drag and drop the corners accordingly to ensure you have a geofence that meets your needs. Click Save and you're all done. To set an alarm for your landmark or geofence, simply click the Alarms tab and go to New Alert. Select the type of alert, in this case landmark, name the alert, then define if the alert should trigger when coming in or out of the zone, or both. Then set the range of your landmark. This will define the radius of the landmark zone, allowing you to customize your landmark to meet your specific needs. Finally, assign the alert to units, either all units in the group or specific ones. Then click Save and you're all finished. To add a geofence alert, follow the same steps. Click New Alert and choose Geofence. Name the geofence alert, select the geofence you just created from the list, define in and out alerts, then select the units or choose the group. Click Save, and you're all set. The Alert Definition list gives you your full list of active alerts. In addition to the geofence and landmark alerts, you can also create speeding, emergency, man down, and lone worker alerts. Please note that only one emergency alert is allowed to be provisioned per account. To send messages or transfer files on Dispatcher, click the Text tab. Then, go to New Message and select from the list of groups and users. Select the individual unit or group that you'd like to talk to and send a message. There are different types of messages that you can send with LINX. You can send standard text messages, schedule messages to send at a specific time, upload files up to 100 megabytes in size, or send alert messages. To send an alert message, simply click the Alert Message button. You'll see a checkbox that says Requires Acknowledgement. If you leave this checkbox empty, you'll see the message appear in yellow, indicating it is an alert but does not require acknowledgement. Standard messages appear in green. To send an alert message that requires acknowledgement, simply check the Requires Acknowledgement box. Send a message, and when the mobile user receives the message, they will have the ability to acknowledge that they did in fact receive it. I'll now confirm that I received this message by acknowledging it on my mobile device, and we'll see that this message changed color and that it's now been confirmed. I can click on the message and see that it's been confirmed by the security supervisor, as well as showing a specific timestamp. All text message information is also available in the Reports module. To open LINX Reports, simply click the Open Reports button at the bottom to open up a new browser tab. LINX offers a wide variety of reports to give you a complete history of your account and user data, from GPS to call history to texts, alerts, and more. Select your report type, the date and time period. You can also choose to schedule the reports by setting an email address and choosing to send it daily, weekly, or monthly at a specific time. These will automatically deliver to your inbox with the report provided in Excel format. You can then choose what device you'd like to run the report for. Let's run a report for our security supervisor. Then click Get Report. You now have a history report of all text messages for this account with date timestamps, the date it was sent, time it was read, message content, asset name, and the group or asset that it was sent to, as well as the type of message. In addition to the Reports module, LINX also has a Task Management module. To access LINX Task Management, simply click this clipboard icon in the bottom. This will open up a new browser tab where you'll see your Task Management dashboard. In addition to the dashboard, you'll see a task list, item list, and beacon reporting list if your account has indoor positioning. To create a new task, navigate to the Tasks section and click the plus button. Add a task name and description, and choose whether you'd like to select from a task template or create a new task from scratch. For this one, we'll create a new task and save it as a template when we're done. Choose the category and priority, then assign the task to the desired user. Next, select the items you'd like to see added to the task. LINX Task Management also offers QR code scanning for guard tour use cases. You can print the QR codes from the Task Management module. Once you've assigned items, review your new task, save it as a template for easy duplication, and click Create. Now we'll see our newly created task and its assigned status. Once a mobile user is ready to work on the task, they simply navigate to their own Task Manager module in the mobile application, and the dispatcher will receive real-time acknowledgments of the task updates. On mobile, I've now moved it to Acknowledged status, and you can see that it's also updated on the dispatcher. When the mobile user decides to start working on the task, we'll also see that update on the dispatcher. As the mobile user works on the task and completes the various items, the dispatcher will see the individual updates in real time. On the mobile app, I just moved the task to In Progress status to indicate I'm working on it. We can now see that our task is in progress on the dispatcher as well. For guard tour tasks, when the mobile users scan the QR code, they'll be able to mark the checkpoint task as complete. Please note that tasks with QR codes can only be completed when the QR code is scanned by the user. You can see that I've just scanned this QR code and the status is now updated. It also has the date timestamps contained in the history. You can also have specific conversations in the comments on these tasks. For example, Security Supervisor just commented a few seconds ago that they're working on the task. All this information is contained within the Task Management module and available in the Reports module so that you have a full record. You can also upload photos on both mobile and Dispatcher or other files. If you are working with a multilingual workforce, we have a solution. In both Task Management and the LINX Messages module, you have the ability to translate messages from one language to another. The LINX Translate feature is available on both mobile and on Dispatcher. To use LINX Translate, when you receive a message in a language other than the one you're comfortable speaking, simply right-click on the message, click Translate, and select your target language, in this case, English. It will automatically translate the message. You can select from 133 different languages using LINX Translate. This allows multilingual workforces to still communicate seamlessly without needing to worry about switching between apps or wasting time trying to decipher the message on their own. This concludes our LINX Dispatcher overview. If you ever have questions while using LINX Dispatcher, remember to click the question mark icon and click More to open the full LINX Help Manual, containing in-depth breakdowns of every LINX feature.